Oh my God! Ano, what should I do? Grabe ang challenge na po. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Hindi wow. Yan, flat na flat yung mga itats nila guys. It's so... Oh my God. I think I need to help. Mother, what's this?
Welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, let's feed the pigs today guys because my mother is not feeling well after vaccination yesterday. So okay, I will get some food from here. No, where is that? Here. So mother said one of this. This is for the sow. One. So the sow guys has a small diet. Then, two of this. This is bran. Rice bran. There. Two. And then put some water. There. Okay. Then we will let the feed soften. My mother makes this with the stick. There. So it's ready guys. This is for the sow and this is for the 3 months old pigs. Two of this. I will add more later.
Let's go.
So this is what I'm going to raise today. The pigs of Oma. They're big na. My God, they're so dirty. Hello! Oink oink! Oink oink! Sorry, are you eating? And there. And there. There's a sow there. Hee hello, piggy piggy!
A few moments later.
Oh my God! Ano, what should I do? Grabe ang challenge. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Hindi wow. Yan, flat na flat yung mga itats nila guys. It's so... Let's try water. We don't drink. It's dirty, yo.
A few moments later.
Salamat, Nastito! Thank you, Nastito. Padili ko ka ba? Ayan. Manginom sila tubig. Oh, no, ana, nakainom na itong hugaw. Oh, no! Naikitugon si mama sa ako. Isa ko'y sukot sa nalot. Ay, katulugon.
Ano?
Huwag lang.
Ano ang mama mo akong gulat?
Ano, guys? So, dapat pala guys, lagyan mo na sila ng water bago nyo hugasan yung tangkal para hindi nila mainom yung dumi. Ganyan guys, you should put some water first pala before you are going to wash the pig pen para makainom sila. Hala, lagot ako. Nakainom na yung madumi. Uy, 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 ayaw pangaga tiger ha. Alabuton ra ba gud ni? Saved by Tito guys. Nana days mamang to, dere?
Ano?
Oh, ni sakay dai siya nimo. Oo. So, ganyan lang pala guys. Yan. We already bath.
Yesterday.
Pagod. So, what is that? Tahot with water. Mother said this is for the sow, guys. For the... And this one also, Mang? Kani, Mang? Kani? And this one. So, this one and this one for the sow. Just small diet for the sow. I don't know why. Anong pagkaon sa bigal, mang?
Ano yung pagkaon mo? Pinit na yun. Kadagdag yung pagkaon.
So now, the pigs are big, so they are eating this grower feeds. Yan. My mother is very expert in feeding pigs.
Tagsara na, oh.
So,
Inatiwasan ni kay ako pang kanan akong kanan.
one
One
scoop, then one scoop. Just like that? No, it's 2 scoop.
Sagulon man kunan mo.
So half ana, mahimong usa. Isus, may nang nabot ka, hurot untay mong feeds, kay tagsa man gyud ako ipakaon ana unya.
Ang nainto ko duha ra katapos aning yellow.
Pila na yung edad sa imong baboy, mang?
3 months.
So the pigs are 3 months already. So that's
Oh, ihatag ni.
How
Lugaran
many?
na po mo usa ka ingon ani.
for how many pigs ni siya, mang?
Upat.
This is for 4 pigs, guys. 3 months old. So this is then water lang, mang, ilang imnon. Then just-
Gipainom naman tog tubig ibutan na din siya sa kwan, sa yusa sa loob.
So we will just put it in the floor, guys, once the pan is clean. Okay, let's go.
Kaya hindi buna sa Google kamo to yung lalugan dito.
Okay, noted. So mother said I will give four a handful of feeds each pig so they won't shout. So maura na ilang paniud today, mang. So we will give a handful of four handfuls of limpyo na nito. Limpyo na nito. Pwede na ibutangan. So 4 handfuls of this one we will have 4. That's it, guys. you need to spread it pala, guys, so that all can eat. That's my mother, guys. I'm always scared when she gets angry. Naubusan pa nga ning tangkal. Hindi naman ako naubusan ng tangkal. Oh.
Seconds later.
This is another day. It's done, guys. Yeah. Hi, Tiger. Nakakain na silang lahat. Yeah, nakakain na silang lahat. This one, two, and hi! This is the sow, the mother of all the pigs. Are you full, darling? Are you full? Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay.
4 hours later.
To clean the fence. Oh, it's clean now. Right now, it's clean now. It's nice. So we will have first the pig drink some water. So we put this first. Wait. Hey, no. Oh, why? I cannot put some water langga. Wait. Okay. So let's put some water. So that because they're thirsty, guys. Ooh. So you do that first before cleaning the fence so they will not drink the water. Then you can bath them with water because they love water. This one too. So the current of the water is slow, that's why we put it on the barrel. So there, it's drinking. There. Wait! What are you doing? Oh my god. They're swimming na in the water. Hey! Hey! Let me get that. Let me get this. You're already playing. Give me! Give me! Give me! Whee! Okay, I will get this na because you're swimming na. Yeah! My God, it's heavy, guys. This cutted rubber wheel of the so, and this one also, let's put, so they can drink first water, guys. We need to give them some water first. Yeah. Oh my God, this is heavy. Let's give some water. They're drinking, guys. Wait lang ha. There you go. She's drinking na. And now, they're playing in the water. So this time the pens now is clean already. So now they are already playing it. So we will get this so it will not get broken. Oh my God! It's heavy langga.
Hindi ka taas magbuha. Arong gatra. Wow.
Oh yes, mother. My mother is here again. She took tiger because I might get bitten. So there. We will have. So yours. Her is so little. You wanna drink water? This is the sound, guys. Hi! Your life is very easy. You know, sleeping, eating only. Oh. Your eyes is nice. Hi! So now they're hungry, guys. So we'll give them a handful. There, you need to separate it, guys, so that they all can eat. Madam, you're hungry? Wait, I'll be back. Hi! So now let's feed the sow. Hi! Okay, we'll have her. She has a different diet, guys. She eats corn in her diet. Wait lang ga. Wait. Okay. We dissolve the, the feeds and the bran, guys. So we will let her sip water. As many as she likes, so she will get full. So once she finished that, guys, this feeds on the floor so we can get the food platter, because it's hard to get it when there's no feeds on the floor, as my mother said. She's very big, guys. I'll be back with her. I'm gonna add more food in for the other pigs. Hey, why guys, why are you so lazy? You're not eating na. Wow! So what my mother did, guys, this is expensive feed. I mean, this one, I think. Then this one is cheaper. I think this one is, the premium one is expensive and this one is cheaper. So that's why she bought 2 sacks. Then she just mixed it to save a little. So my mother is very wise, guys. You can do that also. So just mix it alternately. There. Now she's done, guys. I don't know if she still wants to. Do you still want more water? Hey, there. You go. Do you still want more water? No, so she's done with water. So I think she's asking for the feeds. We will get this one first. Okay, and let's put this. Okay, eat, darling. This pig wants more. She wants more, guys. I don't know if she will. So we'll give her there. What's wrong? Why are you not eating? I think she's full. There. Ay, naku. Okay. So, we're done, guys. So, after that, they are going to sleep. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day.
A few minutes later.
So, natutulog na sila, guys. They are already sleeping because they are full. So, after this, guys, they are going to poop. Magdudumi sila. And by 2 p.m., dapat hugasan ulit yung pens. You should clean the pens, the pig pens, again by 2 p.m. para hindi nila hihigaan yung dumi. Kasi, you know, it's very hard to clean when they rolled over in their poops. So, then, every 6 a.m. guys, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., we give some food to them. Then by 9 a.m. we give them some drink and clean the pens again so that they will not roll over their poops, and it's not hard to clean. Then 12 noon or 11 or 12 noon, next feeding. Then by 2 p.m. we give them water again, more water. Then clean the pens. Then by 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. we give them some food again. Then that's all for the day of raising pigs. Ah, you farted! Oh my god, just like nothing happened. You're so cute when you fart. Did you hear it, guys? Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night, piggies. You sleep well. No, not have a good night. Have a restful day. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Tiger, have you eaten also? Huh? Have you eaten?
Please subscribe.